Let us start exercise 11.1. Find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following matchstick patterns. Use a variable to write the rule. A pattern to letter T. 2 matchsticks. So formula, number of matchsticks required for pattern T is equal to T, small t, where T the number of T's. If 1 T you are making, then how many matchsticks will be required? 2. For 2 T's, 4. In this way. Clear? This question I am not going to solve on the green board. Whatever I am telling you, you have to write. And for this, a simple CW notebook. You will do this chapter in the simple CW notebook, not in the interleaf. A pattern of letter Z as. See here, 1 matchsticks, 2, 3. So, formula, or you can write number of matchsticks formula for number of matchsticks required. A pattern of letter Z is equal to 3n. So there A you will not write. Pattern of letter Z as equal to 2z, small z, where z number of z. Okay, small z represents the number of z's. And you will, with the help of Fevicol, you will write the letter. That means you will make the pattern on letter, alphabetical letter in your CW notebook. And this way you will write number of matchsticks required for letter. Suppose that U. So U is equal to 3n. Here n is the number of, or 3u. Small u you can use. And here u is the number of u's in the pattern. And u takes the values 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, you will write in your CW notebook. And you will, with the help of matchsticks, you will stick in your CW notebook and make letters. A pattern of letter U, you need 1, 2, 3 matchsticks. Here 2. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In letter E. And for letter S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For letter A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this way, you will write the general formula for making letter U, letter V, letter E, letter S, letter A, letter T, and letter Z. Now question number 2, we already know the rule of the pattern of letter L, C and F. In L, we need 2 matchsticks. In C, 3. And F, 1, 2, 3. Some of the letters from question number 1 given above give us the same rule as that given by L. Which are these? Why does these happen? So let's see. In T, 2. In Z, 3. So Z, U and V and T. Same number of matchsticks are required. Because when we are forming these letters, we need same number of matchsticks. The answer of this question is this. Now question number 3. Cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets in a row. What is the rule which gives the number of cadets given the number of rows? So in one row, 5 cadets are there. जो सैनिक होते हैं ना मार्च पास के लिए, या स्टूडेंट, दोज आर टेकिंग ट्रेनिंग. So in one row, 5 cadets are there. So in number of rows, if n, so 5n. Okay. So first you will write, given there are 5 cadets in a row, then total number of students in n rows is equal to 5n, where n is number of rows. Now see question number 4. If there are 50 mangoes in a box, how will you write the total number of mangoes in term of the number of boxes? Use B for the number of boxes. So first you will write, given there are 50 mangoes in a boxes. Now total number of boxes, B. Then formula for total number of mangoes is equal to 50B. Now question number 5. The teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. Can you tell how many pencils are needed given the number of students? Use S for the number of students. So same way, first you will write, given the teacher distributes 5 pencils per students. Then total number of pencils are required for the S students is equal to 5S. So it is the general formula you will get, because number of students are S. And then you will write S for the number of. Bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minutes? Use T for flying time in minutes. A bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Now what we have to calculate? Can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minutes? So see, first you will write, given a bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Then birds will fly T kilometer. Given a bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. In 2 times I have written by mistake. That means distance covered by a bird in 1 minute is equal to 1 kilometer. Then distance covered by bird in T minutes is equal to 1 into T kilometer. In this way you will solve 6th question. Now 7th question, Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, a beautiful pattern of lines joining dots with chalk powder. She has 9 dots in a row. How many dots will her rangoli have? R rows. If number of rows are R, then how many dots will be there? 9R. How many dots are there if there are 8 rows? So in 1 row, 9 dots. Number of dots in 1 row is equal to 9. Then number of dots in 8 rows is equal to 8 9s are 72. Same way you can calculate for 10 rows. Okay. Now 8th question, Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Radha से 4 साल छोटी है लीला. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be X years. So first you will write, given Leela is Radha's younger sister and she is 4 years younger than Radha. Let Radha's age be X years. Then Leela's age is equal 4 years younger, that means 4 we will subtract. So X minus 4 years. Okay. Now question number 9. Mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. If the number of laddus mother gave away is L, how many laddus did she make? Let us solve on the green board. See in the question number 9. Given mother made laddus and L number of laddus she distributed. Still 5 laddus left with her. Okay. Then total number of laddus, L she distributed. 5 laddus are left. When you will add these 2 quantities, you will get total number of laddus. Okay. Oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes when A large box is emptied. The oranges from it fill 2 smaller boxes and still 10 oranges remain outside. If the number of oranges in a small box are taken to be X, what is the number of oranges in the larger box? See here, oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes. And the capacity of smaller box is X. That means X number of oranges we can pack in the small box. And 2 boxes are filled with 10 oranges are left. Okay. So 1 box, number of oranges are X. Then in 2 box, number of oranges is equal to X. Then total number of oranges 2X plus 10. Because 10 oranges remain outside. So you will do yourself this. Now 11th question. Look at the following matchstick pattern of squares. The squares are not separate. 2 neighboring squares have a common matchstick. Observe the patterns and find the rule that gives the number of matchsticks. In first square 4. In second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Here 10 plus 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So every time the number of matchsticks are increasing by 3. That means 3 fixed number. Okay. Now if we are taking number of matchsticks as X, then the general formula will be 3X plus 1. So 3X plus 1 will be the general formula. Why? Because and X we will start always from 1. If in place of X we will put 1. So 3 into 1 plus 1. That means 4 matchsticks we are getting. Then X equal to 2. That means 3 into 2 plus 1. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7 matchsticks we are getting. Then 3 into 3 plus 1. So every time the value of X we are changing. Here X equal to 1. Here X equal to 2. X equal to 3. X equal to 4. So next number of matchsticks are required to form next pattern. X equal to 5. So 3 5s are 15 plus 1. 16 matchsticks will be required. So in this way you will solve. Now in B, figure 11.7, okay, gives a matchstick pattern of triangles. As an exercise 11A above, find the general rule that gives the number of matchsticks in terms of the number of triangles. So number of matchsticks are required in terms of triangles is equal. First you write. So let us create general formula. So for making one triangle 3. For 2 triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So every time number of matchsticks are increasing to, so 2 fixed number and 2x if we will take. So if in place of x we will write 1, so 2 into 1 2 we are not getting, but if we will write 2x plus 1, now put in place of x equal to 1, so 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 matchsticks we are getting for making one triangle. Then for second triangle, that means for 2 triangles, 2 into 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So general formula will be 2x plus 1, where x equal to number of triangles. Okay. If 1 is there, so 3 matchsticks will be required. If 2 triangles, so 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay. So here 11.1 is finished.